everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So we are opening the Love with Food box. This is the tasting box. So this is their most affordable plan. It's about $7.99 a month and you get healthy snacks. It looks like they updated their packaging this month, so this is what it now looks like. So super cute. I am super hungry. I try and do fasting. I do intermittent fasting until noon and it's about 11:20 right now. So I'm gonna have a little time after opening this before I can eat any of it, so this might be difficult. But yeah, I love this snack subscription. I think it's a great way to discover new snacks that are healthy and nutritious and just overall really yummy. I've loved pretty much everything I've gotten from this box and I love how affordable it is. They do offer other plans besides the tasting box, which I get, the $7.99 one. They have a deluxe box, which I think I actually have a referral link that can save you 40% off your box. So I will leave that down below. But they have the deluxe box, which I think with my code you can get for like $11.99, maybe cheaper, and you get more snacks in that one. And they offer a gluten-free option as well. So if you're gluten-free, they have something for you. So that is great. But anyways, let's get unboxing and see what yummy food I got this month. When I open it, this is what I see. It says, "Make life delicious." And then there's a little card here. It says, "Hey there, good looking. Love with Food has a fresh new look and so does your box. While we still believe it's what's on the inside that counts, we wanted your Love with Food box to look as good as your snack makes you feel. Our commitment to you. You can still expect hand-picked products all curated with love and made with real delicious ingredients that nourish you to be your best." And then it says, "Start earning free snacks. Love our new look. Share a picture of your box on social, and they'll pick people to get some points towards free snacks." So cool. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. This looks so good. I'm gonna grab the first thing I see. This is by 180 Degree Snacks, oven baked to perfection, almond rice pops with blueberries. This has only 60 calories, 1 gram of protein, and 0 grams of cholesterol. I've never tried these before. Only 60 calories. This is a really light snack. That's nice to have for those of us that are watching what we eat. Next is by Bush's Best, the crisp roasted chickpeas, roasted garlic. I was getting ahead of myself. It's only 100 calories, has protein and fiber. Awesome. So this is like Bush's, like the same brand I think that makes the beans. They do chickpea stuff too, so that's cool. And I honestly love roasted garlic. I love garlic flavor, so I'm happy to have this. Oh, and then we have some almonds, some hickory smoked almonds. I love these. These are by Maddie K. I've never tried this brand of them, but I love that hickory smoked flavor. Yum. Gluten-free, GMO-free. It's made from California's finest almonds. Great snack to have. And then we have some fruit snacks. These are by Go Organically fruit snacks, gluten-free, made with real fruit, 100% of vitamin C, daily value per serving, excellent sources of vitamin A and E, and it's organic. And I have a cat in here if you hear anything in the background. Fiona, what are you doing? Awesome. Ooh, I love Pirate Booty. I haven't had this in forever. This is Pirate Booty Aged White Cheddar. Baked rice and corn puffs, no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. It's gluten-free and there's 140 calories per pack. My mom used to get this. We used to have this around my house and it's so good. I haven't had it in so long. Awesome. Oh, this is something I've seen advertised lately. I'm curious about it. This is by More Labs. This is morning recovery for when you drink. This is sugar-free. It's a dietary supplement with lemon flavor. It's 100 mLs. I want to read more about this. It says, directions: consume while drinking or up to 1 hour after your last drink. Engineered to outsmart rough mornings and help you stay sharp with liver-boosting DHM, electrolytes, vitamin B complex, milk thistle, and more to support your body. It's soy-free, caffeine-free, gluten-free. I am so curious if this actually works. It says 20 calories if you're curious. Has anyone tried anything like this before? Does it really help you feel better the next day? I'm not one that's prone to hangovers, but I normally don't drink too excessively. But sometimes it happens, so I'm excited to try this out. I mean, worst case, you just get some vitamins, right? Looks like, yeah, there's like vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. Just like electrolyte replacement and some vitamins and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try, and I love lemon flavor. I'm so curious about it. And then we have a bar. I love bars. This is Live Smart Flax Bar, all natural energy and chocolate. This is natural, vegan, superfoods. 198 calories per bar, gluten-free, soy-free, lactose-free, no refined sugar, trans fat-free, and very low sodium. It says health has never tasted so good. I love that it's chocolate flavor. Yum. So this is what it looks like. Awesome. And then the last thing is something I will not consume because I'm a vegetarian. This is Natural Cut Turkey Snack Stick. I have like a pile of stuff like this I've gotten in boxes for whoever comes over. Hopefully one day someone does and they eat my snacks that I can't eat. I'll eat everything else though. And then on the bottom of the box there's like some things like Bright Cellars, a $45 gift card. It's like a wine subscription service. I've never tried that one, but it sounds good. There's something here for Bubby's Hawaii Try Me. So there's like, you can get, ice cream. Free 1 Bubby's Mocha ice cream pack. Mocha ice cream sounds delicious. Oh, and there's, the last thing in here is more information on that morning recovery drink. So at More Labs, we create science-backed products to combat modern-day stressors that slow you down so you can do more of what you love. Our patent-pending formula boosts your body's natural response to alcohol, restores vital nutrients, and rehydrates, all to help you bounce right back after a night out. Don't let happy hour slow you down the next day. And then they have a 20% off code here. When to take morning recovery, right before you drink, between drinks, or right after you drink. And then there's that code on there. So yeah, that is everything in the tasting box from Love with Food this month. I am super excited. What am I the most excited to try? I mean, I'm excited to like try this again. It reminds me of childhood, and all like the nut snacks. I love that. I find it's filling and nutritious and like gets you through the day and a little bit more energy. Oh, and I'm like super curious about this morning recovery. So yeah, again, if you try this, let me know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.